Okay, so here's our breadboard right there. Okay, we're going to start out with the 9-volt battery. We're going to connect the positive side, the red one, over to the blue line side. And so we're going to connect the negative side to the red line side. The first row. Yes, even though they're not connected. Okay. Okay. Here's our resistor. Right here, nifty. Okay, so I'm gonna plug that in over here. So it's connected to the negative side. And plug that into E5. Yes, like that. Okay. You can see it hopefully. Okay. Next is our cable. We're going to plug in the tips first. Put that here in D. And the straight down. Also D. Okay. And sleeve cable or wire, I guess. Hope that's in there. Okay. And the same wire. I'm going to connect to the same. It's a little frayed. This fits. There we go. Oh well, okay. Now we're gonna connect the rings. Okay. Here's our LED. Put the LED and A15 next to this. Should turn on. Yes. And so the circuit will be complete. Alright. Oh, it came undone. The red wire came out and fell over. So did the black one. You saw it, right? I don't know, it came disconnected. Oh, I see it. Okay. I see the problem. Yeah, it's this. But anyway. Gotta plug this back in. Gosh, what is wrong with it? Anyway. probably this. This is really frayed. I could barely get it in here, but it was connected there. When the thing fell, it knocked it out. Must have. Okay. Anyway, the power flows from the negative terminal into. You know what? Here, hold on. Let's try different. Yeah, so the resistor's right because it's not burnt out. Okay, there's something. This wire is really frayed, like I said. Okay. Anyway, this is just for show. Okay, so the negative terminal. It's gonna flow from the negative terminal to where it's connected in the breadboard, and that's gonna, since it's automatically connected here, it's gonna go into the resistor over to E5 where the other end of the resistor is connected. And since the tip is connected, the tips are connected. The tip is connected in the same row, so it's automatically connected. And that flows through the wire from tip to tip, and that's going to flow back through the sleeves, which are connected at C5 and C15. The tips are connected at D5 and D15, and then that's going to flow back through the rings, which are connected at A5 and B15. And so the LED is at A15. The one end of it is at A15, and that's going to flow through the LED to the blue column. That's going to flow up through the blue columns, and it's automatically connected through the positive terminal of the battery, and that's the circuit. Okay, so yeah.